Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to the 2016 JEE Mains Physics question paper. Let's do question 15 now. We have two wires carrying the same current. Wire A is bent into a circle of radius r and wire B is bent into a square of side A. So the first equation we'll get is L is equal to 4A is equal to 2 pi r. Now, what are the values of the magnetic fields at the centers of a circle and of a square? So a circle or a ring is easy enough. It is mu naught I by 2r. It's a standard formula. In this case, what we'll do is we'll multiply by 4 the magnetic field due to any one. And due to any one, we know the standard formula due to a line subtending alpha and beta. It is mu naught I by 4 pi r times sine alpha plus sine beta. In this case, that will be 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, which will be root 2. And we need the ratio of these. This is BA and this is BB. So the ratio of them will be mu naught I by 2r into 4 pi. And this r, this distance is not the same as this r. I shouldn't have used that. But this r is in fact A by 2, where A is the side. So A by 2. So 4 pi A by 2 by 4 into mu naught I into root 2. And what is A by R? A by R is equal to 2 pi by 4, which is pi by 2. So we can write A by R as another pi by 2. What will we get? Mu naught I will cancel. 4 will cancel with this. And what we are left with is pi squared divided by 2 into 2 into 2, 8 into root 2, pi squared by 8 root 2, which means the answer is option 4. This completes the solutions. Thank you.